Hello guys, this is Mohammad Rafiq with you. While you're trying to install any of the software or application and Smart App Control has blocked the installation, no worries, here's the fix. In this tutorial, let me show you how to fix the issue, which is Smart App Control has blocked an app that may be unsafe. So let me show you how to fix it. Before that, let me explain what is Smart App Control and what it used for. Smart App Control is a Windows 11 security feature that uses Microsoft's cloud intelligence to block malicious, untrusted, or potentially unwanted apps from running, acting as a digital gatekeeper by analyzing app safety before they launch. Especially useful for downloads outside the Microsoft Store and operates in modes like evaluation or enforcement. It protects against dangerous code, malware, and unsigned binaries by leveraging real-time intelligence. But once turned off, it typically requires a Windows reinstall to re-enable. Here you can see by default, Smart App Control is turned on this system. And message says, if Smart App Control spots a malicious or untrusted app, it will block it to help protect your system, resulting you cannot able to install it on your system. So fixing this, you have to turn off Smart Control on your Windows 11 PC. For turning off, click on Off here. Now you can see one warning message says that if you turn Smart App Control off, you can't turn it back on or switch to evaluation mode unless you go to the Windows recovery options or reset this PC. No worries, click on Yes, I am sure. Now you can see Smart App Control is turned off, and message says that if Smart App Control is off, it can't be turned on without reinstalling Windows. After that, try to install the blocked application on the system. Once the installation done, you have to turn it on to protect your system. For turning on Smart App Control, you can see here it is not possible. So turning on, just close these windows. Now click on Start menu. Here, search for Regedit. Select Registry Editor and click on Run as Administrator. This will open Registry Editor window. Here, click and expand HKey Local Machine. Then click and expand System. Then click and expand Current Control Set. Then click and expand Control. Then click and expand CLL. Then click on Policy. Here, in right side, click and open Verified and Reputable Policy State. Now, for turning on Smart App Control, change the value 0 to 1. Click OK. Now, let's see Smart App Control is turned on or not. For that, go to Smart App Control Settings. Here you can see Smart App Control is turned on. Now, for turning off Smart App Control, either you can click Off here or go to Registry Editor and open the Verified and Reputable Policy State. Change the value 1 to 0. Click OK. Now, for checking, go to Smart App Control Settings again. Here you can see Smart App Control is turned off. That's it. If this video helps, hit like and share and subscribe for more videos.